I recently got a new stove with these really cool shelves on the side, so I had to get some new spice jars. So I got these glass ones here, and I am obsessed. I'm not finished organizing everything, but this is a pack of 48. You can get different packs depending on what you are looking for. So these ones here are like the square ones, and then of course you got this. So these are glass, and you have the metal lid, and then obviously you have like the little shaker, and then this one here. So if you want to get more out, really easy to take this on and off, but like not easy that it's going to come falling out while you are using it. One of the things I really love is the labels. You have a few different options. So you have the square one, so if they're laying down here, but as you can see, I don't have a ton of room. So on both sides, I did the ones that I use the most laying down, and then you also have the labels, the round ones for the lid, which I think is really cool because again, these ones are going to be standing up. I can get more in on the shelves here. So these are the ones that of course I still use, but I don't use as often. So I have that. They also come with a bunch of blank ones. They have blank round ones, and then they also have blank square ones. They do give you the pen. I have terrible handwriting, and just one thing that I don't love, it is pretty thick, the pen. So this is meant to say black garlic with pink salt. And first of all, I have terrible handwriting, and it's also a pretty thick pen. So I think I'm just going to go and get like a really, really fine tipped one. It'll make it a lot easier for me to write on this. But other than that, literally obsessed with all these, and it even comes with a list of all of the spices that they give you, like the pre-made labels, and honestly there are so many. And the cool thing is as I was filling up my spice jars, I was looking at these and I was like, oh, I need to get myself some of this or some of that, something that I don't actually have. So I think it looks really great. They're just like really nice and classy. Oh, another quick thing, they also have the labels in white as well, so if you're looking for that. So yeah, if you want to, you know, I was gonna say spice up your spice jar, but if you want if you want to make it look a little bit nicer, highly recommend these. These are awesome.